happy holidays for the ones who don't celebrate Christmas. But check me out. Check me out. I did my hair. You know, I put together my outfit. Stop playing with me. Like, we ain't gonna stop playing with me. Anyways, so today is gonna be Icy Girl Christmas Get Ready With Me. Look, I did my hair, my nails, and then of course my outfit, which the details will be at the end. But if you'd like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned and also subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So I started off by sectioning my closure from the rest of my hair, and the color that I will be using is 57 lightest golden brown and Revlon Color Silk. And basically what you want to do is get a small tooth comb. I use the edge brush, but I use the comb of the edge brush, and get as close to the roots as you can and comb it out as you go so you can get a gradient effect. And this is the best possible method so you don't get color on the lace. Okay, this is how the roots came out. I let the dye sit for about 30 minutes and then I washed it out. Okay, I'm using color 60 and darkest ash blonde to dye the rest of the hair. You already know the drill. I'm using my hands to saturate the hair, and I'll also be using my rat tail comb to comb through the dye so it can saturate every piece of hair. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back and let y'all know that this is the motherfucking look. It's not done yet because it's giving Humpty Dumpty right now in my Santana voice.
I don't give a fuck. It's Humpty Dumpty.
I didn't want to get the flat ironing and blow drying on camera because y'all already know how to do all that. But I'm just gonna define my part and make sure it's pretty much flat. Gonna use my She's Bomb wax stick and then also use my hot comb. So yes. So and I also sprayed my even tinted lace spray in medium brown to get the scalp effect. And I had to actually put the wig on so I can get the part correctly. But y'all, today is Christmas. It doesn't even feel like Christmas. Like, I feel like now that I'm older, Christmas just don't hit the same anymore. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel about it. But I feel like people have lost the real true meaning of Christmas. Now it's just about topping the other person, getting this, getting that, instead of actually giving and being thankful to be alive, first of all, because some people out here, you know, not granted the same things, and it's really sad. So I feel like we all should just be grateful for our circumstance, no matter if you're not where you want to be right now. God gave you another 24, so just keep pushing and keep, you know, moving forward to those goals, and you'll get to where you need to be. So that's about as straight as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna time lapse the rest of this and yeah, get on with it. Okay, to blend my lace even more, I'm just taking my eyeshadow brush and using my cream powder in the color Caramel from Ruby Kisses and just putting that on my lace to give a melted effect. Okay, before I apply the lace, I just take a cotton pad and put some alcohol on it. Make sure there's no dirt or any oils on my face. And then I'm going to be using the ORS Wig Grip Gel and putting on a thin layer because, I mean, you don't need to put too much. It's just to close your wig. And you just want to make sure the gel is lined up with your lace. And I'll be using my blow dryer on high heat to make the gel tacky. Make sure you test it to see if it's dry enough. If not, just keep blow drying. Okay, after it's dry, you just want to line up the lace with the gel and just press it in to your skin. Okay, for an extra hold, I just go in with my Got To Be Freeze spray and use my blow dryer on high heat to melt it into my skin. Okay, to melt my lace, I'm just going to tie my satin scarf around my hair until I'm done putting on my lashes. My favorite lashes, Peach Echo by Velux. If you know, you know. Via Julia put me on. So ever since then, I was like, yo, these lashes are bomb. They complement every look, and especially when because I'm still learning how to do makeup, y'all. Especially because I don't know how to do makeup. I pop these on, and it just looks like, damn, you really did something. You really ain't do nothing. You feel me? So let's do that. Is heating up again because I want to bump this a little bit so it can sit up like that. I'm also going to cut the ends because you guys already know how my vibe. I do not like sparse ends. I don't care how long the hair is. Like, cut them ends. They give me like dead end vibes, and I don't like that. But this is how the lace looks. That's how the lace looks. Of course, it stops right here. But I don't know. It's giving me scalp. You already know. I'm gonna just stand up so y'all can see me. I'm gonna just cut them right across. Cause y'all know I like blunt ends. And it's not that much, probably like 2 inches. Maybe 1.5 inches. but check me out. Almost time for the finished look. Okay, y'all, this is the final hair. Sorry, this is the final hair look. Wait, I'm not done. Sorry, I lied. What you wanna do is, where's my concealer? LA Girl concealer in the color Fun. And what you wanna do? Okay, and then you just wanna put it in your part to define it. But yes, I think I did a great job, y'all. So I'm about to do my nails and put my outfit on because I have to hurry up and go. But it's gonna be a cute little transition, something like this. And that's just that, y'all. Look at this. Everybody keeps saying, you like Lil' Kim, you like Lil' Kim. So I guess this is Lil' Kim inspired. I was going for Icy Girl Christmas, but check me out. Okay, so the outfit deets. I got this jacket from Forever 21 online. It was actually on clearance because I had this look planned. You know, I had it stored away a long time ago. And the fur jacket that I initially wanted, it was going to be like an icy blue fur jacket, but I couldn't find one online that was affordable because I'm not going to wear this. I live in Florida. Like, when am I going to ever wear this outside? This is just for a video. So this was actually on clearance for $17. So it's like, let me go ahead and buy that. So I got this, and then I got this little tennis chain from Amazon. I got these glasses from Amazon as well. And then I got these little cute press-on nails. Girl, I got these from Dollar Tree. I ain't gonna lie, those are so cute. So I had to get them too. But they only came with 12, so I can only literally wear these one time. I gotta make sure I don't lose them because they only came with 12. So, and yes, this is the ash blonde. Like, I bodied this look. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be more looks in the near future. And thank you guys for all the support. Have a great Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.